You're watching F5. We are here at AppWorld 2025 in Las Vegas at the Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. We are in the Community Hub. So what does that mean? That means we've got DevCentral here, Nginx Community, we've got a podcast booth over there, insiders, user experience, all part of our community. Another part of our community is our partners. And one of those partners, one of my favorite ones actually, because of the fun that we have together, is One Technology, and I've got Jeff with me. Jeff, can I get you to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Jeff Benton, and I am a co-founder and Chief Technology Officer at One Technology.
Fantastic. Okay, so One Technology is known for a couple things. Definitely your technical expertise is very, very high on what you guys are known for. But you guys are also known for your association to breakfast burritos. That's a thing with you guys. So what we've arranged from our wonderful partner team is we've actually got a bit of a taste test that's going to happen here. So thank you to the logistics crew who is bringing over a rating system. We're going to explain how all of this works. It's going to make sense. Don't worry, this is going to make sense. We've got 3 different burritos here, breakfast burritos. This is all for Matt, by the way. And we've got buses. I know Matt likes to use avocados for his rating system, and I think it's out of 5. So as an alternative, we've got buses here. So we've got 5 buses. This will be our rating system. And then we're going to go through, I guess, these burritos. And at least it's not a burrito eating competition, because I didn't train for that. Although I look like it, but we may as well just crack these open and see how it goes. So I'll let you have, I don't know, let's just open the one and then
check it out.
Yeah. How about, I'll have one end of this one.
Maybe cut.
We don't have a knife or any, oh, they are cut in half, okay.
Cut in half.
Here, so, okay, this one is, I'll let you take a half there, and I will take a half. Well, that's good. Okay, that was bacon. Is this chorizo?
I'm actually not sure.
Honey? Which one was this one? This is chorizo, right?
This is bacon.
All right,
Yeah,
chorizo. Jeff, as my guest here, what is your rating out of 5 buses for the chorizo breakfast sausage?
I'm gonna give that's a 4 bus for me, I think.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna push it all in for this one. That's a 5 bus rating for me. Mind you, I haven't had a breakfast burrito in probably since the last time I saw you guys, so we'll go for that. Okay,
All right.
we'll park that for a sec here. We've got bacon,
Bacon next.
or do you want to go veggie?
Oh, I don't care.
That one's half open already.
This is
So
chilaquiles, actually, I think.
okay. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Let's open that guy. This is all for you, Matt.
Things we do for Matt.
Go for it.
Oh my
Here.
goodness.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. I'll stick my neck out on this one, and I'm gonna go 4 bus
4 bus.
on that one.
Yeah, I think I'd agree with that.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Cilantro. Not as much cheese.
4 bus. Alrighty.
4 buses.
Shout out to Roadside Taco, by the way. Not a sponsor whatsoever. If you do want a sponsor, talk to Matt Brown.
Okay, now
One last
bacon.
one. Bacon. I mean, as soon as you put bacon on the name, you've set expectations pretty high.
Yeah, that's 1 bus at least.
The cheese just kind of pulled apart on that too. So What do you think? Fair enough.
I'm a sucker for bacon, so that's going to be a 5 for me.
I'll give it a 5 as well. That was fantastic.
It's really good.
Shout out to Matt. Thanks for keeping the theme alive, and thank you, Jeff, for participating in that. We'll clean this up now. We'll continue our conversation. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
Alrighty. Okay, so Jeff, now that we're on to serious matters, One Technology has been an exciting partner for us because you guys really adopted F5,
Yeah.
just like went all in with us and married that in with other partners as well. So highly respect you guys for that and just kind of being able to show customers value. I know we've recognized you guys over a couple different ways on all the good work that you guys have done. As part of that, I was wondering, because we sit in such an interesting spot in the network and infrastructure, you guys have a good view of what's happening in the industry right now and kind of reading what's coming up. Let me know what kind of things are you hearing from customers right now?
We're hearing that obviously complexity is ticking up, and it's becoming harder and harder to have the level of visibility into what's happening in the network, within applications, and between applications. That really there's a lot of concern that people are missing things. We're finding a lot of opportunity with F5 to decrypt traffic, to get better observability that way, to have better introspection into APIs and understand the sort of data that's moving around there, and really to the need to address more of a hybrid multi-cloud type of architecture. It's a lot less common now to have the single data center focus or even the single public cloud provider focus, and we're finding a lot of opportunity with F5 to kind of drive a more of a portability story, more of an all-encompassing architecture story there. And then a lot of customers are thinking about AI, and there's just not a lot of I would say familiarity right now with how we secure it, how we architect it properly. And so that has also been driving a lot of those conversations.
Yeah, interesting. When for the customers who are exploring AI, are they just kind of looking at simple chat use cases? Are they actually building applications with that?
I see a lot of early kind of trying to figure out the use cases for Gen AI. I think that we've seen a few customers where that's seeing some real use cases around how to build more efficient code or to increase the velocity of code development is where I see a lot of it. A lot of our customers, being an infrastructure and security focused company, a lot of customers of ours are really looking at how to have AI provide better and more comprehensive insight of the environment and actually drive like automation and things like that. And so that really seems to be coming with the next gen of like agentic AI. And I think for our customers, that's really where the rubber's going to meet the road.
Yeah. I guess that's kind of stitching together different parts of the business. Are you guys internally looking at some AI use cases to help you guys do work better, faster?
We are, as a consumer, we do leverage it quite a bit for some of our internal processes and documentation development, things like that. For customers, we're really looking at delivering more of an AI-ready infrastructure. So building the network and storage and all of that goes with it, obviously the application delivery side of it, and then securing all of that for customers, and then providing just a very kind of robust and capable infrastructure for for hosting those workloads. We're less on the workload side of it, the data side of it, and really just trying to build that AI-ready infrastructure.
Awesome. I think part of that too, you guys are great. Last time we chatted actually was, if folks recall, over a game of pickleball back at Red Hat Summit. And so you guys are a great Red Hat partner as well.
Yes.
You guys dabble with the NetApp side of things as well. So for us, that's a great trifecta. What are you guys seeing as far as customers using the three of those together strategically?
Yeah, that combined use case is definitely a case of the sum is greater than the parts for us. That being able to provide a validated architecture with all of those pieces has been huge. F5 obviously has provided ways of observing and securing and routing the traffic that just isn't capable with any other platform, and NetApp as a data fabric and Red Hat as an automation platform and as a hosting platform for containers and AI and even virtualization. It really rounds out a very, very nice, capable stack.
Yeah, that's awesome. We love when we talk about that kind of joint solution, but for partners to adopt that, and also you guys were already down that road anyways, and so it just seems like a very natural fit for you guys to kind of really exceed in that space. So I'm really excited to see what you guys do with that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, we'll kind of park it there. I'm sure we will have a lot more content with you guys because we keep running into you at things where there's interesting activities that we can do, such as pickleball and otherwise. So thank you very much, Jeff, for joining me on this one.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for checking this one out. If you want to find out more about One Technology, where do they go?
Our website is one-technology.com, and you probably will find out more about us than ever if you go to follow our LinkedIn page. Matt Brown's very active on there.
Yep.
We do both Burritos and IT, so yeah, would love it if you checked us out there.
Fantastic, yeah, nice side hustle there going. All right, thank you very much, folks. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and we will see you on the next one. Bye now.